what's on TechTalk?
Hey, today we've got Ron's Diesel JLU here. Ron's from Offroad Overland Camping, and we're gonna put frame-mounted rocker guards on here, including some kick plates. Don't miss it today, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Good.
Hey guys, this is Ron with Offroad Overland Camping, and I'm at GenRight with Tony himself. We're gonna do a little bit of an upgrade, a facelift on the Jeep here, and I got a good old Tony here to do it for me because I don't know how to do it.
We're gonna knock
So what
this
are we
out.
gonna do exactly?
It's gonna look great. We're gonna put brand new rockers on here that are actually built for you to use as a slider.
Okay.
So we'll replace these like faux looking ones.
It's gonna have a step.
Step on it,
Okay.
yep, built in with a dimple die traction on it.
Okay.
We're gonna put a kick plate on the side so the tips of your shoes don't scratch the paint. And then we're gonna put bumpers front and rear.
Nice.
This thing's gonna look. Hey everybody, you're gonna want to tune into Tech Talk today. Jennings and I are gonna be running the show. We're gonna be putting brand new parts on Ron's Jeep. And we're gonna start with the rockers, but we're gonna do bumpers and everything. This is all the new aluminum stuff. It's gonna look hot. And Jennings will be here to ask the questions.
And then I'm gonna need another red Jeep to add to my Jeep collection because it is beautiful. Wait till you get the aluminum.
She's already got two, so
She's got an orange one and a blue one.
going for number
I'm
3.
going for a whole
Yeah.
full rainbow.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now, one thing with the bumpers, instead of aluminum silver, they're going to be
That black powder coated.
powder
So
coated
they'll
black.
still be aluminum, but we're just faking it to make it
Yeah.
look a little different.
With those bitchin' gold plated bolts in the front.
Yep, it's gonna look sharp.
It's going to pop.
Yeah, for sure.
So there you go.
And give more clearance, not only on the sides, but give them a better approach angle and departure angle. In addition to being lighter, right? We already pack enough equipment and gear to go camping in these things, so you certainly don't want any more weight on the vehicle itself.
How about some new fenders too, Ron?
No.
Yeah,
no.
that's in the near future. He doesn't realize it, but it's
Come
in the
on,
near
you're gonna
future.
take these out on the
If
first
he's gonna
day.
keep following me, he's gonna need some new
Yeah,
fenders.
you're
I got to
need them.
thrash them first.
Don't
Yeah,
worry,
okay,
I'll make
well,
sure that
He'll
happens.
do that.
Forced upgrade.
Yeah.